This too shall pass. Dealing with the unforeseen challenges caused by the COVID 19 pandemic has taken a significant toll on people across the world today. Hi, I am your host Shilpi Srivastav and welcome to my show Different Shades of Life. For those whose souls are up there and for those who left behind. The voice that weeps, the ring that beeps, the death that haul, the life that roll. Oh, I am waiting, waiting for you. That touch, that embrace, that smile on your face, that persona full of grace, I don't want to erase. Yes, I am waiting, waiting for you. Come back, I'm waiting, my tears start fading. Come back, I miss you. Come back, I'm breaking. Come back and hold. Come back, there are many things which are untold. Come back before I shatter. You are the only thing that matter. I'm going through pain. Don't want to go insane. Dear, I'm waiting, waiting for you. Today we all are overwhelmed, stressed, panicked and depressed because of being isolated and having uncertainties around due to COVID crisis. Unaddressed emotional concern can lead to negative consequences such as changes with sleep and appetite, difficulty concentrating, physical illness, strained relationship, and even thoughts of suicide. Today I am going to tell you few simple ways to cope up with the current COVID crisis in a healthy way. Firstly, start by take care of your body. Do meditation, eat healthy and exercise regularly. Follow your passion and hobby. There might be a thing in your life you always wanted to do but never got time for it. Now is the time. It's a pause in your life. Rewind and lift that brush. Read that book. Do that craft. Anything which gives you happiness, do it. Connect with others. Talk with people over the phone. Connect through social media or try finding any other ways to communicate. Hit up that old friend you haven't talked to for years. Pick up the phone and call them. Share whatever might be going on inside you, whether it might be sorrow or joy. Don't fear. Fear is just a state of mind. Try to conquer it with positivity. Believe in yourself and you can get through anything. Take breaks from watching, reading, or listening about negative news of the pandemic. Bringing in too much of negativity is upsetting and overwhelming. Don't let the coronavirus dominate every conversation. Avoid talking about the virus with the people who tend to be negative or those who reinforce your fears. Be kind to yourself. Go outside and enjoy nature as much as possible. Sunshine and fresh air is beneficial as it helps uplift our health and mood. You can go and walk around in your neighborhood, enjoy the fresh air and observe the beautiful world around you. Helping others. When you help others, it gives you a sense of satisfaction in your life. Last but not the least, follow the guidelines for preventing the spread of virus and inform others too. Things like wearing a mask, social distancing, washing hands and staying at home. These are hard times and we all will make it out just fine. The key thing is to maintain positivity, not overstressing, not panicking and try to be calm and composed. This shall too pass. On this note, I sign off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.